Welcome, everyone, welcome back to Whimsy Tricks. Today, we're delving deep into the world of angioedema and its intricate relationship with our diets. Angioedema, characterized by sudden and severe swelling beneath the skin's surface, can be challenging to manage, particularly when it comes to what we eat. Understanding angioedema and its dietary impact. Let's start by understanding angioedema itself. It's a medical condition causing rapid and deep swelling in the skin's deeper layers, often affecting crucial areas like the face, lips, tongue, or throat. What's fascinating, and equally crucial, to grasp is how our dietary choices can impact this condition. Exploring food triggers and their impact. Food triggers can be a significant factor in angioedema episodes. We'll dive into these triggers, nuts, shellfish, dairy, eggs, soy, and more, that can spark allergic reactions, prompting the release of histamine and resulting in inflammation and swelling. Anti-inflammatory foods and their role. Let's talk about the superheroes of the dietary world, anti-inflammatory foods. We'll explore how incorporating fatty fish, leafy greens, berries, turmeric, and other power-packed foods can help alleviate inflammation and potentially ease angioedema symptoms. Creating your personalized diet plan. Crafting a personalized diet plan is key. We'll discuss the importance of identifying trigger foods, keeping a food diary, and working with healthcare professionals to develop a balanced meal plan tailored to your specific needs. Common triggers and food allergies. Let's take a deeper dive into the common triggers of angioedema and food allergies. We'll explore how foods like shellfish, nuts, dairy, and more can often be culprits and discuss strategies for pinpointing these triggers. Navigating social situations and dining out. Dining out in social situations can be daunting with angioedema. We'll provide tips and strategies on how to communicate your dietary needs, navigate menus, and ensure safe dining experiences. Meal planning and recipes. Practical advice on meal planning. We'll suggest angioedema-friendly recipes, ingredient swaps, and meal prep tips to make your culinary journey both safe and delicious. Professional support and conclusion. Lastly, the importance of seeking professional guidance. We'll discuss the significance of healthcare professionals' input in managing angioedema through diet. Remember, everyone's journey is unique, and consulting with experts is key. Absolutely. Here's a continuation and expansion on the script, focusing on various aspects of angioedema, dietary implications, and management strategies. Understanding angioedema triggers through reintroduction. Let's explore the reintroduction phase. After eliminating potential trigger foods, slowly reintroducing one food at a time can help pinpoint specific culprits. We'll discuss the importance of this step in identifying triggers accurately. Food allergens and sensitivities in detail. Taking a closer look at food allergens and sensitivities. We'll delve into the intricacies of individual reactions, understanding the difference between allergies and sensitivities, and how they impact angioedema differently. Histamine levels and their influence. Histamine, a key player in triggering angioedema symptoms. We'll explore how certain foods high in histamine levels, like aged cheese, fermented products, and alcoholic beverages, can affect individuals prone to this condition. Dietary adjustments for managing chronic angioedema. Chronic angioedema requires consistent dietary adjustments. We'll discuss long-term dietary modifications, continuous monitoring, and how these strategies can aid in better managing chronic cases. Balancing nutritional needs and restrictions. Balancing nutritional needs while adhering to restrictions. We'll emphasize the importance of ensuring adequate nutrient intake despite limitations, offering suggestions for maintaining a balanced diet. Psychological impact and coping strategies. The psychological impact of living with angioedema. We'll explore coping strategies, mental health support avenues, and how a holistic approach can positively influence overall well-being. Case studies and personal experiences. Real stories, real experiences. We'll feature case studies and personal anecdotes, highlighting diverse experiences in managing angioedema through dietary adjustments and the impact on individuals' lives. Research updates and emerging diet-based therapies. Let's explore the exciting realm of ongoing research and emerging diet-based therapies. We'll discuss the latest findings, potential breakthroughs, and future directions in managing angioedema through dietary interventions. Conclusion and encouragement. As we conclude this comprehensive journey, remember, knowledge is power. Armed with insights into angioedema's dietary nuances, you're better equipped to navigate this condition. Keep exploring, stay informed, and take proactive steps towards managing your health. Exercise, a complementary ally. We'll discuss how incorporating regular physical activity aligns with dietary adjustments to manage angioedema. The synergy between these aspects can significantly impact overall health and symptom management. Age and angioedema, diet adaptations. Age-related dietary adaptations. We'll explore how different age groups, from children to the elderly, may require specific dietary considerations in managing angioedema, shedding light on age-specific nutritional needs. Travel tips and dietary precautions. Traveling with angioedema. We'll discuss practical tips and dietary precautions for navigating diverse cuisines, dining options, and managing your diet effectively while on the go. The gut microbiome's role and dietary influence. Exploring the gut microbiome's role. We'll delve into the fascinating link between gut health, the immune system, and how dietary choices can influence the microbiome, potentially impacting angioedema symptoms. Seasonal variations and diet adjustments. Seasonal dietary adaptations. We'll discuss how seasonal variations affect food availability and explore adaptive dietary strategies for managing angioedema during different seasons or environmental changes. Food labeling, hidden allergens, and smart choices. Mastering food labels. We'll provide tips on deciphering labels, identifying hidden allergens, and making informed choices while grocery shopping, empowering you to navigate the aisles confidently. Mindful eating practices and their impact. The power of mindful eating. We'll explore mindful practices, such as mindful chewing, savoring each bite, and attentive mealtime behaviors, and their potential impact on managing angioedema through heightened awareness. Collaborating with support groups and community engagement. Community connections matter. We'll highlight the significance of support groups, online communities, and engaging with fellow individuals managing angioedema, fostering a sense of shared experiences and collective support. Future insights and audience engagement. A glance into the future. We'll touch upon potential advancements, research directions, and encourage audience participation, inviting your thoughts, experiences, and contributions to this ongoing conversation. Holistic approaches, stress management and diet. Mind and body connection. We'll delve into stress management techniques and how they synergize with dietary choices, shedding light on their combined impact in managing angioedema symptoms. Supplements and their role in dietary support. Supplementing your diet. We'll discuss the role of supplements, such as vitamin C, quercetin, and probiotics, and their potential supportive effects in managing angioedema alongside dietary adjustments. Ethnic and cultural factors in dietary considerations. Diversity in diet. Exploring how diverse ethnic cuisines and cultural food practices impact dietary considerations for angioedema management, highlighting variations and adaptations across cultures. Lifestyle changes and long-term diet sustainability. Lifestyle shifts for the long haul. We'll provide insights into sustaining dietary changes over time, offering tips for long-term adherence and ensuring diet modifications become a sustainable lifestyle. Mind-body practices, yoga, meditation, and diet. The union of mind and body. We'll explore how practices like yoga, meditation, and mindful eating intertwine, synergizing with dietary choices to potentially alleviate angioedema symptoms. Technology aids, apps and tools for dietary tracking. The digital edge. We'll showcase technological aids, dietary tracking apps, tools, and online resources, helping individuals monitor their diets, track symptoms, and enhance their angioedema management.